see that? Oh. There's a road.
I see the river, but it looks amazing.
There's a road at the bottom with bridges and everything. All the. Oh my God.
That is so beautiful. Wow.
So it's going to tell us what this is.
It is just mind-blowing how beautiful Colorado is. It's like Bob Ross was in here painting.
It's a total different beauty than yesterday and the day before.
It's incredible. Colorado's been so good to us. Cheap, beautiful, full of adventure. There's my honey swimming in the lake. You guys hearing this already? My honey. Colorado's been so good to us.
Yeah, we're sad that we're about to close the door on Colorado.
Why? This could be like, I guess I could get over here and act like I like you for a minute, huh? We are on camera. I don't want to get the wrong impression. Can't even, I'm learning to smooth again, guys. I got a replacement, so look at that. Sure holds it nice, doesn't it? It holds it really like good.
All professional.
Professional!
This morning was so great. We had a little workout. Got to swim in the beautiful Emerald Lake that we camped right next to for free.
With a bunch of fun little kids.
Oh my
we had one little boy, this guy.
He was a radical little guy. He ended up biting off more than he could chew by going further and further up the hill and rolling down on this tiny little bicycle.
Preschooler bike.
Yeah, it's a 16-inch BMXer. And he come by us, barely holding on to this thing, and he was flying. I couldn't say anything. I could only just watch all this happening in front of us. Man, it was happening. And he rode it out.
I just like kept waiting for the bike to fall apart. Like when he's going fast, it's like this bike is making so much noise. It looks like the whole thing just gonna poof, and you can tell that he's ready to bail too. He's totally geared to bail. So he's gone for a while. Like you see the parents come out, not much is said at all. And he told us earlier that they were hiding out. They'd had too much to drink already. So about 40 minutes later, he comes back over into camp. He's got a chair attached to his butt. And he just sets the chair down and he's like, they told me to stay in the chair.
So he was just moving the chair around.
He just moved the chair, came over and sat down with us again. And he's quiet for a minute, and then you hear him say, so, how fast do you think I was going? It was great, just experiencing the whole thing, just meeting that little kid. Oh, he was probably like, what, 12, 11, 12,
Yeah.
something like that?
Yeah, probably.
Super kid.
It was amazing. It was amazing. It was one of those moments he'll never forget in his life. You know, where you push something a little too far and it almost bites you bad, you know. It would have been bad that he got off his bike.
Oh, yeah.
And he went by
he was
us.
going fast.
Woo! I told him he was the man. You were the man.
I pulled that one off, dude. We don't know how.
You held that shit together.
He was like, you see me? I just cleared those. What were they?
Well, they were little drainage runoffs, you know about? And he did, man.
It's like, I just cleared that. Did you see that? Oh, yeah, we saw all of it, man. All of it, couldn't stop watching.
He came by us. You could see he was too scared to steer. He was going straight.
He was holding on, man. He was just...
Second part of that trip there, he wasn't on the road.
It's one of those moments that was probably slow-mo for him. It was great. We're heading to our last place in Colorado, quite possibly. That's our little home right there. Places we have camped. Trying to teach my dog to be a rock climber. It's not working. You want to come over here? Come to this one. Come over to this one.
No, I didn't think you could either. Can you guys hear the noise? Yeah. Bulldog gonna come out of the bushes here in a second. She got in there, she can't figure out how to get out. You got this. There she is. There's that nasty, stinky bulldog. Make sure all them doors are closed. It's incredible the places we get to camp, right? Look at this. This is where we get to camp, honey.
This is
I know, right? It's crazy, you guys. Look at this. That's us. With a lot of bugs.
Jamie, little patches of bugs, huh?
Yep. Before we die, we're gonna die out here with the bugs.
We're gonna die.
We're gonna die. Should we run back too?
For sure.
Okay.
Running for our lives.
Running from the bugs!
And I got all kinds of anti-bug
Defenses.
stuff.
Come on, girl. We're out here running you. Run it, girl. Don't let mama pass you. I'm passing you. We're out here all by ourselves, you guys, too. There's a couple of people on the lake. Can't tell if they're little kayaks or fishing boats. We came on here to tell you guys we're leaving Colorado.
Oh my God.
It was such an amazing experience. Colorado was so good to us, so beautiful, so cheap.
We like Colorado a lot.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
I had some of my first climbing experiences, like serious climbing. Like we went up to 13,000 footers in the Samurai. Well, you guys saw all that, but
Woo!
that was just all amazing for me.
Good times, good times. But now we're going north.
There's always something more exciting going on, isn't there? It's like all the cool that's already happened and there's still more coming.
Well, wait, there's more.
Yeah, we're heading up to the Wooden Boat Show. And on our way there, we're going to go to Jackson Hole. Probably Yellowstone.
Yeah. Tetons.
The Grand Tetons.
Grand Tetons, Yellowstone.
We just want to say thank you to Colorado so much. We really had a wonderful time. That was very dangerous, Mr. Dodge.
Turn it around.
Welcome to Utah.